Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on the screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. I have x squared by 1 plus x to the power 6, right? So what we've been given is dy by dx and I've been asked to find y. My y is nothing but integral of the given expression times dx, right? So let's write that out. That's my y. Integral of x squared dx divided by 1 plus x to the power 6, right? I know that my y is not in a simple format whose antiderivative I know from first principles or any of the rules or identities that I've learned so far. But then I do see a connect between the expression what I have in the denominator, which is 1 plus x to the power 6, and the expression what I have in the numerator, which is x squared dx, right? And what is that connection? So maybe I'll go to the next line and you would understand this better if I write it this way. My x to the power 6 is nothing but x cube the whole power 2, right? And I hope you folks are with me. So all that I'm doing is my x to the power 6, my 6 is nothing but 3 into 2, right? And I use one of the rules that I know and I'm quite familiar with in the case of exponents, and I'm going to rewrite this particular x to the power 6 as x cube the whole power 2. This is what I get. Now I'm sure you will be able to connect the term in the denominator with the term in the numerator, right? Because I know that if my x cube equal to t, then on differentiating either side, I get a 3x square dx equals dt, right? And post that, I know that my y can be reduced to a much simpler format, right? So let's go ahead and do the required substitution. My t equals x cube, right? My dt equals 3x square dx, okay? Which means my x square dx is nothing but equals to dt by 3, right? Now with this substitution, you see that I am in a position to simplify my y, right? So let me write my y here. So what is my numerator now? My numerator in terms of t is nothing but dt by 3. I pull out my 1 by 3. I write that separately. I don't have to worry about it. And I have dt here. And then in place of 1 plus x cube the whole square, I will have 1 plus t square, right? Because my x cube equal to t. So I have 1 by 3 times integral of dt by 1 plus t square. Now the integral what we have out here is something which is very very familiar to me because I know that d by dt of tan inverse of t is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Therefore tan inverse of t is the antiderivative of what we have on our screen right now. So let me write down my final answer. 1 by 3 times tan inverse of t plus c, right? I know that I cannot leave my answer in terms of t. I will have to express it in terms of x, right? So what is my t? My t is nothing but x cube. So I know that I can write my final answer as 1 by 3 times tan inverse of x cube plus c. Right? So let me highlight my final answer in pink. 1 by 3 times tan inverse of x cube plus c. Okay. I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.